This is Savannah Reese at Sherry Chrysler, and today I have a 2007 Dodge Ram 2500. It is the SLT package, stock number CP15584T. The tow hooks in the front, the black grille, fairly new wheels on it. Is factory two-toned. Take a look on the inside here. You got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Radio there. Do have the knob shift for the two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive, high and low. Cup holders here, super handy. And it does have the middle seat to it. Folds down for the console. Does have the premium cloth interior to it. Gorgeous paint. Bighorn edition. Has aftermarket exhaust on it. Does have the Infinity audio system in it. Is a Cummins turbo diesel. Again, this is Savannah Reese at Sherry Chrysler with the 2007 Dodge Ram 2500 SLT, stock number CP15584T. Come see me today or give me a call at 937-778-0830.